Lasko 101 My Heat Personal Heater. Small electric heater takes up minimal desktop space and is intended to heat up your immediate space at home or the office. Designed to warm you, not a room. For that, we recommend getting a Lasko 1500 watt tower heater. No assembly required. Simply take it out of the box and plug it into a standard 120V wall outlet. This energy-efficient, indoor ceramic heater draws about 2 amps, and turns on with the flip of a switch. If you want to know more about this item, you can follow video description. Vornado MVH Vortex Heater. Gently heat all in the air in a small to medium-sized room through vortex air circulation, without using intense heat, similar to how a forced air furnace works, just on a smaller scale. Advanced safety features include a cool touch exterior, tip-over protection, and automatic safety shut-off system for worry-free use. The internal thermostat with 7 settings will automatically turn the heater on and off to maintain set temperature. Honeywell Surround Fan Forced Heater. Providing 360 Albanian Lek surround warmth, this portable heater is ideal for small to mid-sized rooms. The low setting does not require as much electricity to operate, so it is more energy efficient and a better option for saving energy. Delivering enhanced safety features and easily controlled comfort, this heater features an adjustable thermostat. Safety energy-saving heater mini portable room. It adopts PTC corrugate aluminum heater and it can heat quickly. When plug in power, it will heat immediately and you can enjoy the warmth that it gives you quickly. Resists to deformation in high temperature. It will power off automatically if the temperature is too heat. With a rotatable support to get an appropriate supporting angle. DONYER Power Electric Ceramic Heater. Improper operation such as covers on the air outlet might increase the temperature of internal components, and the power supply will be automatically cut off if the temperature reaches the certain set by overheating. Automatic protection. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to know more, check video description below. To watch more of our videos, subscribe and click bell buttons.